Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change audio track in Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change audio track in Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, just simply choose anything which you want to watch. For example, I'm choosing this movie here. And when you start to watch something in Netflix, this type of interface will appear. Now into here, you just simply have to choose this audio and subtitles option. Just simply tap into that. Now into here, you can get all of the available audio tracks in Netflix. Just simply select the audio track that you want to change to, and then you can easily watch anything into Netflix in the available audio tracks. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change audio tracks on Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.